Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a fun new club. This one we're really excited about. We just received these pillows from a company called the Whole Country Caboodle. You have probably seen Leanne Anderson's fabric she designs for Henry Glass. They're these fun, bright fabrics that bring a lot of joy and happiness. Well, she and her daughter created these 12 pillows called the Pillow Wrap and Cover. Really kits. There's one for each month of the year, and we could not resist connecting with Leanne and her daughter to say, can we offer this as a club? And so here we are. We're so excited to kick off 2024 with a lot of new clubs, with this being, I think, one of my favorites. So just like you're used to, you'll be getting the project for the month ahead. So in January, we'll actually be shipping you the February project. So you have plenty of time to make your project. So on February 1, you flip that calendar, you can display your project for the whole month. And Leanne and her daughter have done a wonderful job of putting the kits together that have truly everything you need except for the pillow form. Bonus, when you sign up for our club, we will ship you a 14 by 20 travel pillow form, and that will be used in each of the months. So the wraps come off, the cover comes off. Even this is included in your kit. It's a towel. I love it. It's nice and thick. Even that is included in your kit. So as the months change, you simply unwrap this. It has hook and loop tape on the back, closing it. Unsecure that. Take the pillow form out and simply put it in the next month. So again, we want to just give you the whole solution. We'll ship you that first pillow in your very first shipment. So applique, of course, is down with fusible webbing, but now you need to stitch it down. So we were able to choose a 50 weight sulky cotton thread set. So if you're going to be joining the club, be sure to reserve that thread set as well. As you can see, Leanne and her daughter are great designers and have some darling applique. We love to use our layout diagram that's included in their pattern, as well as the light box and the Applifuse mat to pre-assemble the applique, bringing that onto the background. This is also useful for tracing any hand embroidery details. So lots of uses for the light box here. Not a lot of notions. We made up a couple kits of our own just to experience this, and we're here to say these kits are totally comprehensive, and even beginners can absolutely be successful putting these together. We will be doing some supplemental videos, however, just to show you the steps of how to put your pillow together. So if you're like, I'm a visual learner, I get that, so am I. We'll be sure to provide that for you. I'll also show you how to use that layout diagram, the light box and the Applifuse mat to do that very process I just talked about pre-assembling and moving things onto the background. So again, really not a whole lot of notions here because they've done such a great job of really putting everything in the kit already for you. The 2.5 inch by 24.5 inch, if you wanted to pick up a ruler, that'd be a great one, not a have to. And these are the notions that we did use to put our project together. Because you are going through some thicker kind of foam here, it's a nice sturdy kind of foundation for the applique. We used a size 90-14 needle, which is not something that we typically use when we're piecing. We're normally using an 80-12. So if you don't have one of those, you might want to pick that up. Just the other things, right, you'd expect marking tools, wonder clips, some good pins. But the most important thing, get your spot in the club. Get your spot in the club. This is a really fun way to just look forward to each month of 2024 as we kick off this darling new club. I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.